हेलो एवरीबॉडी एंड वेलकम बैक टू जुलीज क्लासरूम एंड हम सब वापस आ चुके हैं आप लोगों के लिए एक और इंटरव्यू वीडियो लेके एंड द सेशन इंटरव्यू 2026 इज बिगिनिंग राइट नाउ। आज है 10th क्लास का इंग्लिश एग्जाम एंड डेट इज 21st। सो हम चलिए देखते हैं सम ऑफ द रिएक्शंस फ्रॉम द मेन गेट ऑफ डीएवी चंद्रशेखर फूड एंड लेट मी आस्क सम ऑफ द पेरेंट्स की कौन से स्कूल का सेंटर पड़ा है यहाँ पे। आई विल गो एंड टॉक टू देम एंड यू फॉलो मी, कम ऑन। What's your name?
My name is Alankrita.
Alankita, all right. So which exam did you appear today?
English.
Which school are you from?
I'm from Odium Public School.
All right. How was the exam?
It was easy, but it was also very lengthy. It was very lengthy, but I think the time was enough for me. My friends were also very happy about this examination because we were preparing for this particular exam for like days, and because now the first examination was math, so we were only preparing for math examination or science examination. So हमने ये वाला prepare करना बंद कर दिया था.
Okay.
तो हो गया, मैं और नहीं बोलना चाहती.
और नहीं बोला जाता. All right. How much are you expecting?
I'm expecting 70 plus.
70 plus. So is that a good mark for you?
Yes, I think so. English में तो वही अच्छा है.
Yes, it is. In English में वो अच्छा है actually. Thank you so much. We'll just ask you a few simple questions and thank you so much for cooperating. What's your name?
Ayan Suman Misra,
Ayansh. Okay. So which school are you from?
Odium Public School.
Okay. So how was the English exam?
It was very nice. It is very easy today.
Okay. Easy. So was it not easy before?
I don't know, but it is easy for me only today.
All right. So how much are you expecting?
I am expecting around 70. 70.
Did you like your English teacher in your school?
Yes.
Yes. Was it a sir or a ma'am? No. Okay, I think we got the question. Do you like English as a subject?
Yes. Light. Medium. Okay.
Medium. Then I teach English and my channel's name is Julie's Classroom. Would you like to subscribe? Would you recommend them to subscribe my channel?
Yes. Sure.
Please then. Subscribe to Julie's Classroom.
Julie's Classroom. Subscribe to Julie's Classroom.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
Mrinali Nanda.
Okay, Mrinali, you are a very sweet girl. So how did you like your English paper?
It was really easy. Like whatever I practiced, that came, and the question in 6 marks, I had actually practiced and checked the questions.
My goodness, which god did you pray to?
I pray to Ganesh Baba.
So everybody, here's my very good advice for you. Pray to Ganesh Bhagwan before your English exam. It will probably help you. And I see that you have put on this cap.
Yeah.
It really worked, right?
Yeah, it's actually a good energy. You have to give the exam with a positive outlook that whatever I've studied, I'll remember it and I'll write it. So,
Yes. Which sample paper did you practice?
Oswal, Educart, and we had many previous year question papers. Those actually helped as well.
Okay, did you get any previous year questions which were repeated?
Yeah, that 1 6-mark question that I was talking about. Lencho from Letter to God and Kissa Gautami.
Wow. Then it was a pleasure to meet you and I am so happy to know that your exam went as you expected and thank you so much.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Harshita.
Aishita. Which school are you from?
St. Xavier International School.
Saint Xavier International. Okay, this is the first time we're doing an interview for the Saint Xavier International kids, so you should be the one to set the marks.
Actually, it was pretty easy, and I was like, I computed before 1 hour, and it was literally very easy.
Okay. What is your favorite question?
About Mitchell, that and literature part was very easy.
Okay. Did you get it as you expected, or was there anything other than what you expected?
No, it was as expected, and it was pretty good. Yeah, I would like to say.
Predictable paper, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Thank-
How was your practice?
It was for 3 days, and I practiced a lot, like sample papers, and it came from there. Yeah,
Any sample paper that you would like to recommend?
Oswal.
Oswal. Okay. Second recommendation for sample paper, Oswal. You should get it then. All right. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. All right. What is your name?
Parthasarathi Biswal.
Okay, Parth. So which school are you from?
Odium Public School.
Okay. Did you like your English paper?
Yes.
So which was your favorite chapter from literature?
The Midnight Visitor.
What do you like about the chapter?
It was very easy to learn.
Okay. कुछ ज़्यादा ही अच्छा आंसर था. And which exactly question came from the chapter which you liked the most in the paper?
Like everything was from the NCERT book itself.
Okay. Any other thing that you would recommend to the students to practice from for the English one?
Like everyone should go for summary from ChatGPT or any AI.
Okay, that is something I used to do, so it's a good recommendation. And how were your friends? How did you react to them after the exam, obviously?
I don't know about them because I don't know.
You haven't talked to them. अच्छी बात है. कभी भी पेपर लिखने के बाद दोस्तों से बात मत करना, डिमोटिवेट हो जाओगे. Alright, thank you so much. What's your name?
Rahul.
Rahul, how did your exam go?
Well, fine.
Okay. आपको लगता है आपको पेपर अच्छा लगा? मतलब आपको पेपर में आंसर्स आ रहे थे या फिर
बहुत इजी था, पेपर बहुत इजी था,
बहुत इजी था?
बहुत इजी।
I have heard so many people say that today paper बहुत easy था. Then how much are you expecting?
शायद वो नहीं पढ़ रहे थे। I was studying
आप कितने घंटे पढ़ रहे थे?
5 to 6 hours a day.
तो 6 hours per day. तो आपने क्या अपने डेली रूटीन में इंग्लिश को एक सेपरेट टाइम दिया हुआ था या फिर
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, मैं सारे सब्जेक्ट्स को साइमल्टेनियसली पढ़ता रहता हूँ।
व्हाट इज योर बेस्ट सब्जेक्ट?
मैथ्स
मैथ्स पेपर जा चुका आपका? मैथ्स पेपर कैसा था?
बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत इजी गिरा था, बहुत इजी गिरा था।
मेरा दिल खुश हो गया। वेल, इंग्लिश या मैथ्स?
मैथ्स।
Maths. Then we got the answer. Then thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. All right. So what's your name?
My name is Rajendra Prasad Singh.
Okay. Are those your friends? Please camera घुमा दीजिए एक बार. Okay. So how was the exam?
एग्जाम आज मेरा बहुत अच्छा गया है। आज हम लोग का इंग्लिश का पेपर था, ठीक है। इंग्लिश का पेपर लाइक उतना हार्ड भी नहीं आया था, लाइक ओके था।
Please
ठीक
हमें
है।
भी कैप्चर कीजिए उन लोगों को भी.
क्या थोड़ा उनको भी दिखाइए, अकेले फुटेज देनी है मेरे को।
इस एंगल से. I like it. I like it from this one. Okay.
ओके, तो इंग्लिश का पेपर लाइक इजी था, उतना भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं था। अब जिन्हें नहीं पढ़ा तो उनके लिए हम क्या ही बोले, ठीक है।
Okay.
बट ठीक है, लाइक पेपर्स जो थे लाइक मेरे हिसाब से तो
सबसे डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन आपके हिसाब
सबसे डिफिकल्ट
से?
ऐसे तो आई डोंट थिंक सो कुछ डिफिकल्ट था। लाइक अगर आपने क्या बोलते हैं सैंपल पेपर्स किए हैं तो आपके लिए इजी होना चाहिए पेपर। ठीक है।
Which sample paper would you recommend?
कोसवाल
ओसवाल recommendation 3. अब जिसने भी नहीं पढ़ा ओसवाल ही खरीदो. So,
ओसवाल में।
आप अगर एक इमेजिन करेंगे सिचुएशन किसी ने बिल्कुल भी नहीं पढ़ा है
हाँ।
तो एग्जाम के 3 दिन पहले वो क्या करेगा? Give me a remedy for that.
सैंपल पेपर्स,
Sample
ठीक
paper.
है। एंड जो प्रीवियस ईयर्स के जो पेपर्स होते हैं, ठीक है, एग्जाम पेपर वो, ठीक है। एंड जो स्कूल के नोट्स जो टीचर्स दे रहे हैं उनको 3 करके जाए, आप कम से कम पास हो जाएंगे। एंड अच्छे नंबर तो स्कोर कर लेंगे, आई थिंक सो। आप उतना तो कर लेंगे, ठीक है।
Okay.
यस।
So, आपके दोस्तों का एग्जाम कैसा गया? आप डिसअपॉइंट हुए हैं ऐसे मार्क्स टैली करके?
मेरे मार्क्स तो अच्छे आने वाले, उनका मेरे को पता नहीं, ठीक है।
दिखा दीजिए जिनका पता नहीं, एक बार दिखा दीजिए.
ठीक है, मेरे हिसाब से तो ओके। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much. He was so sweet. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Netikanand.
Okay. Can you repeat?
Huh?
Can you repeat that?
My name is Netikanand.
Natik, okay. So, how did the exam go?
My exam was so easy. It was literally very very easy. Then I have what I practiced in sample paper.
Okay. Which sample paper would you recommend?
I practiced through MTG. MTG.
Wow. उस वाला नंबर 4 नहीं आया फाइनली. So आप कौन से स्कूल के हैं?
Saint Jabe International School.
Okay. So क्या आपने अपना पेपर प्रेडिक्ट किया था? एक दो क्वेश्चन जो आपने सोचा था आएंगे? नहीं, बिल्कुल अनप्रेडिक्टेबल पेपर था.
Unpredictable but easy.
तो MCQs में आपके मार्क्स कटे या फिर फुल आएंगे?
1-2 मार्क कटेगा.
MCQs हार्ड थे?
No, but a little bit tricky, not hard.
क्या हमें एक रिकमेंडेशन देना चाहेंगे कि अगर आपका MCQ ट्रिकी है तो आप उसे कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? तो कमाल के.
Guess. Actually, I did what? I took my razor. A, B, C, D. फेंको. Got answer.
Oh, basically आपको चौसा खेलना है पेपर के बीच में. Okay, fine. So which was your favorite question?
My favorite question was the literature part,
Okay.
and it was from Footprint Without Feet.
All right. तो आपका favorite poet कौन है?
Robert Frost.
Robert Frost. Okay. उनका favorite poem?
The Fire and Ice and Dust of Snow.
All right. Thank you so much. I also like Robert Frost. तो आप लोग भी जाके पढ़िए. Literature book के बाहर भी जाइए. Thank you so much. So, what's your name?
Divyanshi Panda.
Divyanshi. Her voice is so sweet and she's so pretty.
Thank you.
How was the exam?
It was very nice, though it was a bit lengthy, but still it was very easy question.
Easy questions. Which question do you think was the most lengthiest?
6-mark question, I guess.
Okay. So most lengthy one was the 6-mark question. Attempt मत करो, बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा. So did you predict that question या फिर आपको उधर देख के adjust करके?
No, it was very easy. I was studying in नेक्स्ट टॉपर से था ना वो दीदी, उसके साथ भी मैंने पढ़ा था, तो it was very predictable.
It was predictable. All right. So how much will you get in total?
70.
70 in total. Okay.
No, I mean out of 80, 70. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. So how was your school? मतलब उसका कितना contribution था आपके 70 लाख?
हाँ, टीचर्स लॉट
सच बोल दिया. देखिए guys, this is an interview for those who are honest, तो आप सच बोल सकते हैं. Are you going to study in ODM in class 11 as well?
I guess so. Maybe ODM नहीं तो DUV. Not sure.
If you are not sure, then आप सच मत बोलिए.
नहीं, maybe like पूरा 90% sure है ODM.
Okay, so Odium, how was your English teacher? Was he or she supportive, or did they used to give you extra questions and leave it at B?
No, some of the English teachers are nice, but the others are, you can say, little strict, grumpy.
Okay, grumpy. It's not even strict, it's grumpy. Alright. So is there a like nice Miss Briganza kind of teacher, or nobody is like that?
No.
Nobody is like that. Okay, सपने से बाहर निकल जाइए, वो ऐसा आपके स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर में ही होता होगा. Alright, she's so sweet. And what was the difficult question that you despised in the question paper?
Some of extract-based questions,
What about MCQs? Did you like them?
MCQs are pretty easy.
Pretty easy.
Yes.
People usually say that they get tricked in the MCQs. So.
Nah, not in MCQs, I would say. Not in English MCQ.
Alright. Then it was good. How were your previous papers? Was this the best one or maths?
This was the best one. Maths was very worse. It was very bad.
So we got our answers. Thank you so much for cooperating, and I like your interview.